pictures on your Facebook or maybe on YouTube and Instagram. Very nice pictures. Actually, hamburger advertising here is not for tourists. Now I just borrow for you because a lot of family Mekong here from the Thailand. You wanna see her?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Okay, now please check your belongings. Is your phone, your money, your wallet? Is it with you? And now we can sign here.
Which one?
Oh, it's slipping. Just careful, slipping. Oh no, later we back to the boat. Maybe just stop her. No worries.
Oh.
This one is slipping.
Oh.
Just careful.
Oh, fuck.
Oh. Oh, no worry, plastic. Hamburger made by plastic. No worry.
Am I allowed to touch it?
Yeah. Wow, the skin very awesome. Very smooth and very cool. The skin awesome. You want to touch? Yeah. Okay, how was it?
It's great.
Put in your shoulder.
Great.
Let me. Oh, later you have a very wonderful pictures. Okay. Yeah, you want to touch? Oh, you turn around. You turn around. You turn around. Yeah. Okay, you hold here. And a bit
She's
here.
quite heavy.
Yeah, around 7-8 kilogram. Smile. Try to smile. Hamburger, you turn around.
Smell like a chicken.
Hopefully not.
Okay. She want to go with you?
No.
She want to kiss you?
I'm pretty sure I don't want it.
You want to try?